once upon a time, you decided to refinish your own wheels. First thing you would do is get the tires taken off at a shop, and then you would want to get all of the paint stripped so that you could start with a fresh substrate. Stripping paint on your own would involve getting an aerosol type stripper or even a paint-on type stripper. 4 cans of that per wheel, easily, could be more. And each can is about $25. And it's gonna take you hours, like hours. It's so bad, like I wouldn't even wanna do it at home. Or you could try to sand it all down by hand, which again, now you're talking about hours and hours. So then you get your primer, you get the primer on there, and then go with the color that you want. And then you would want a clear coat, which is even more skill and even more patience required. And then you have to let it cure, and then you gotta trust your tire guy to put the tires back on without scratching all of your hard work. To me, it sounds crazy. I think you should just bring your wheels to me because I can do it much better and much quicker and probably cheaper if you add it all up than if you do it yourself.